The science of manifestation, the law of reversibility. If water can turn into steam, then steam can turn into water. Steam and water are the same thing vibrating on a different frequency. If circumstance can produce a feeling, then feeling can produce circumstance. Mass can turn into energy, and energy can turn into mass. This is science. Think of Einstein's E is mc squared. E is energy, m is mass, and c is speed of light. What you are seeking is also seeking you. Thoughts are waves. Waves carry frequencies and energy. Mass also carries frequency and energy. Mass is bound by space and time. Waves exist everywhere beyond space and time. If you can think of your desire, then it is already existing in another dimension in the quantum field. It just has no mass yet. All waves exist in a quantum field. The quantum levels are different realities, but your mind has the ability to pick up on that frequency. Everything is energy. Everything vibrates. Since thoughts are waves, they determine in what reality you live in. You are giving your thoughts energy through emotions. Emotions are energy in motion. Our thoughts are the light in Einstein's equation. In order to quantum jump into your desired reality, you have to align your vibration to the frequency of your desire. That's where the subconscious mind comes in. This is why emotional control and thought control are vital. Change the paradigm in your subconscious mind. It is the subconscious mind that controls your vibration. It has almost exclusive control over your thoughts. Most of the thoughts you think today are the same thoughts you thought of yesterday. Place your attention, and therefore your emotions, which is energy in motion, on the thoughts you want to manifest instead of the things you don't want to manifest. You have the power to consciously reject the thoughts you don't want to turn into mass. There are different realities available to you all the time. The one that aligns with your vibration is the one that manifests in your 3D. You can't be dual-minded when trying to manifest the life you want. You cannot manifest success while preparing for failure. You cannot think of success and feel fear of failure. You are neutralizing your manifestation. You cannot try to manifest wealth and be in a poverty consciousness. Everything you do, think or feel has to align with your desired outcome. A dual mindset often comes from fear or from the conscious beliefs not aligning with the subconscious beliefs. Stop looking around in your 3D asking where your manifestation is. You are neutralizing it that way. If you planted a seed for a peach tree and constantly dig it up to see if it is already growing, you're actually hindering it from growing. Plant the seed, which is your desired outcome, and let it grow. Trust that it is growing. See and feel it already realized. Be calm and relaxed, and it will grow. The universe works this way. This universe operates by law. You need to develop belief and faith. Otherwise, you are living in fear. Bob Proctor once said, both faith and fear demand you to believe in something you cannot see. Make a choice. Don't be resentful towards people who got what you want. If you do that, you won't get it. Change your perception. Change the paradigm in your subconscious mind. Shift your identity. Control your mental state. Get the life you want. You can have it. You are the only one who can prevent you from getting it. You are only limited by your own imagination. Your subconscious mind is the force inside of you that controls your life. Your subconscious mind has been conditioned from the day you were born. 90% of your behavior is habitual. It is your subconscious mind that has almost exclusive control over your habits, thoughts, and feelings. Most of the thoughts you think today are the same thoughts you thought of yesterday. The subconscious mind is the creative force. It also controls your actions and therefore your results. Most of us have a negative paradigm in our subconscious. Just think back to all the negative auto-suggestions that were made by teachers, relatives, friends, and many other sources. This paradigm is the reason why you know exactly what to do to succeed and still do the opposite and fail. These suggestions were made to instill fear in you, for if you're fearful, you're easily controllable. Have you ever told someone about an idea you have, we're told it was unrealistic or impossible, and then someone else realized this idea? There you go. Change the paradigm by rewiring your brain. Use constant spaced repetition of the things you want to ingrain in your mind. This can be affirmations and also certain information. For example, information about the subconscious, universal laws and things of that nature. Constantly repeating this will start to produce these type of thoughts. These thoughts will then produce a feeling. Every thought is a cause, every feeling an effect. The law of cause and effect. Once that happens, the paradigm in your mind will start to change. From there on, your habits, your thinking, your feeling, and your actions will change. That's because thoughts that are felt make their way into your subconscious mind, the feminine part of the mind. The subconscious mind, unlike the conscious, masculine part of the mind, has no power to reject what is impressed upon it. It has to accept it and bring it into physical form. No matter if it's negative or positive, once a thought has entered the subconscious mind, the energy of that thought's frequency gets passed onto your sympathetic nervous system. This energy is now a part of your DNA and affects your vibration. Your vibration attracts things to you that are in harmony with it. Everything is energy. Everything vibrates. Changing your paradigm, reprogramming your subconscious can be uncomfortable. It is likely to get worse before it gets better. That is because the past programming will come to the surface, like it doesn't want to leave your mind and tries to overpower the new program that is starting to form. At this point, many people stop. They fall back into a victim mindset. They say it's too hard. But what is harder? Pushing through it for a limited period of time, or being miserable, living a life you hate? Choose your hard. Other people fail because they demand to see the things they want in the 3D first in order to feel accordingly. They have no faith, no belief. They choose fear. But both faith and fear demand you to believe in something you cannot see. Make a choice. There is another side to life. It is available to you. All you have to do is believe. Change the subconscious programming. Take control over your mental state. Control your thoughts and emotions. Be aware of your vibration. Be present. Change your identity. Start to create the life you want instead of the life you don't want. Neuroscience has shown that negatives have a greater impact on your subconscious than positives. Counteract every negative thought with multiple positive ones. Make a choice. Take control. Change your life. You have to become the version of you that already has what you desire before you get it. The vision of the life you want is your highest potential. The version of you that achieved that is the highest version of yourself. Think about the habits and characteristics this version of you has and become that person. How does this person respond in certain situations? How does this person think? How does this person feel? How does this person dress? What are the habits of this person? What is the mental state of this person? Think of all these things. Remind yourself throughout the day to act and feel like the highest version of you. If you are in a situation, ask yourself, how would the highest version of myself respond in this situation? How would the highest version of myself feel in this situation? And then act and feel accordingly. Be aware of how you talk about yourself and how you talk to yourself in your mind. The vision of you that you have in your mind, the version of you that got what you desire. This vision is yours. It is fixed. That is your destination. Accept is as true in your subconscious mind. Once you do, you will realize that you are this person. You are this person right now. You have to be this version of you in order to receive what this version of you has. You will start to truly understand this once you start accepting it in your subconscious mind. You have to act, feel, and think like this version of you. Detach by being in a calm and relaxed state. If you already had what you desire, you would not be attached to the outcome, which is what you want to manifest. You have to feel your desire already realized. There is a misconception that you need to be happy all the time. That is not true. No one is happy all the time. When you get the life you want, you won't be happy all the time either. But you won't feel lack, fear, and discomfort. You wouldn't stress about your manifestation because you already have it. You would be calm and relaxed. Becoming the version of you that already has what you desire, and therefore being in a calm and relaxed state, will put you on the vibration of the thing you desire. Through the law of attraction, you will start to attract conditions, people, and circumstances to you that align with your desire. You will quantum jump into your desired reality. Reprogram your subconscious mind. Start to create the life you want, instead of continuing to create the life you don't want. Whether you believe in manifestation or not, you are doing it every day. Thoughts are frequencies. All thoughts exist in a quantum field. Different levels in this quantum field are different realities. Energy can turn into mass, and mass can turn into energy. You give your thoughts energy through your emotions. Emotions are energy in motion. Thoughts that are felt make their way into your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind is the creative force. Once a thought makes its way into your subconscious mind, the energy of that thought's frequency gets passed onto your sympathetic nervous system. This energy is now a part of your DNA and affects your vibration. Your vibration attracts things to you that are in harmony with it. Never let the past define you. The past and the future don't exist. Both the past and the future are created in the present. Listen again. Both the past and the future are created in the present. A mind in hurry, fear, and doubt is the seed of all misfortune, of disease. If you let your mind be in a state of doubt, hurry, and fear, you will live in a reality that aligns with that vibration. Not only that, entertaining these emotions will put your brain in survival mode. This means your brain waves are going to be on a high speed. This will cause you to have racing, uncontrollable thoughts, anxiety, and panic attacks. When you're constantly thinking, there is nothing to think of but thoughts. Calm your mind by slowing down your brain waves. You can do this with coordinated breathing and listening to theta waves. Inhale deeply, retain your breath. Now exhale deeply, retain your breath again. Repeat this exercise. Thank you guys for being a part of this transformative journey. I hope these videos will help you on your path of conscious creating. Your support holds immense value. So like, subscribe, and leave a comment to support this channel. Let's unite in building a community filled with positivity, inspiration, and awareness. May you experience happiness, wealth, success, abundance, and fulfillment.